2, 3, 4. What is going on, wonderful learners? This is going to be a fun pattern today. In the right hand, we have a bit of a Coldplay thing going on there. I'm going to go over the accents in the right hand. We are going to be working out of chords out of the E natural minor scale. We're going to be taking some of those diatonic triads and making a chord progression. And then I'm going to be showing one hand at a time, both hands nice and slow. But don't forget, you can access a PDF if you want to check out the music. I will leave a link in the description. Let's begin. All right, here we go. Here are the notes in the E natural minor scale. Remember, each note represents a degree. We're going to use the 1 chord, and then we're going to be using the 7 chord, and don't worry, I will be using inversion magic, then the 5 chord, and then the 6 chord. And then back to 1. So there's 4 chords. Each chord will be for a measure. All right, you can see on the screen the inversion I'm going to use. Inversion magic is where it's at for smooth voice leading to get around the keyboard. So we're going to have my 5 on E and the 2 on B and then G. The pattern is this: 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So we're accenting the top note. Now let's take a look at the screen again, and I am using the D major inversion. I'm using the first inversion there. So I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Same fingering, by the way, as the E minor to the D major. Conveniently, we're going to B minor, and it's convenient because our hand is in the right spot, but now we're going to use the 3rd finger on the B. So that's going to look like this: D, B, F sharp. So that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. By the way, when I got things going, I was also pedaling on the accents, but you can worry about that later. And then the last chord is our C chord, and I am playing it like this. So I have the 5, the 3, the G, and we are in second inversion. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And if you noticed in the quick preview, I was playing octaves, the roots, and I was lining up with the accents. If the octaves are tricky, you can just start down here, and the hand position doesn't change. So let's go through it slowly, both hands. 3 and try, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and whoops, and 2, 3, and 4, and I left out one note there. I was having some fun. So you can exaggerate that if you want, but don't get too heavy. Think heavier with the right hand, because if you start playing octaves, that will outweigh everything else, like this. Teachers exaggerate, but you want to listen to your sound as always. So I'll go through with octaves now, slowly. You can play with me if you wish, or just watch the notes. 3 and 4 and. And repeat that and get it really comfortable. All right, some quick tips here. When you're playing the chord, make sure your hand, wrist is relaxed, and that your wrist, forearm, elbow is right behind your hand. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Let me know how you're doing, and if you're doing well, great. You might want to check out this video right here. Get both hands working. Until next time, please take care.